Welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. In today's video I'm doing a super exciting one. We are doing a Charlotte Tilbury haul. I have been waiting to show these to you for a while now. It's been, I say a while, it's been a week, but I'm sure everyone is the same. When you've got makeup sat there, you just want to try it, right? You don't want to be just have it there all pretty in its boxes and not touching it. So I've been waiting for a few other things to arrive because I did 2 separate orders. These are all of the things that I picked up, and I'm just going to run through them. So the first things I picked up were the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. I picked these up in the lightest and the darkest shades. I have never tried this foundation, hence why I only picked it up in 2 shades, and I thought I would pick it up in the lightest and the darkest so that I can mix in between, just so that I didn't have to buy more, because I don't know if I'm gonna really love it. I don't know if it's going to work for clients. However, I did do a lot of my own research before purchasing these, so I did look at tons of reviews on YouTube and everyone was raving about it. They all said it was gorgeous looking on the skin, it wasn't too heavy. I don't like to use anything too matte because my brides do go for that Charlotte Tilbury makeup look, but they love a dewy radiant finish. So I didn't go for anything too matte, and this is meant to be a full coverage semi-matte finish. So I did pick up the lighter shade. This is shade number 0, which is fair. And then I also picked up shade 12, looks like so. The next thing I picked up was the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder Foundation in the shade 10 Dark. And I do already use these in my kit. I use them on myself in my personal kit, and I absolutely love them on brides and mothers of the brides that don't want that sort of anything heavier than medium. They want a really natural base, and I absolutely love it. I swear by it. And then I picked up 2 lipsticks. One of them is just the Hot Lips refill, and I got this in Dance Floor Princess. So I've already had the lipstick for this, and it's almost run out because it's my most popular shade for bridal. So I've just bought the refill, which I think is really cool because you can just buy the refill and pop it in, and it's so much cheaper. Next item I picked up is the Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips lipstick in Glowing Gen. Comes like this, and this is also a refillable bullet as well, and this is the shade. So it's quite a nice sort of berry pink, and I absolutely love this color. New to my collection. This isn't a color that I've actually had before, but again, I looked at so many swatches and I thought it was just absolutely stunning. Then I picked up a Magic Away liquid concealer in the shade 6, and I've already got these in shades 1 to 5, so I just wanted number 6 because I was finding I have got other concealers in other brands in my kit, but I'm trying to transition over to the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away concealers because I just think they're stunning. I think they're the right amount of coverage. I think they've still got a little bit of sort of luminosity and brightening under the eyes, and they don't like dry down to like a horrible texture. I just find them really stunning on the skin. So I'm trying to transition over. So I did pick up number 6 because I just found number 5 and 5.5 seemed a bit too light on certain undertones. So I'm super glad that I got that. And then last things I picked up were the Rock and Kohl eyeliners in Bedroom Black and Barbrella Brown. I absolutely think these will be a staple in my kit. I'm slowly trying to transition over to Charlotte Tilbury just because I think it's gorgeous for bridal, and I already own a ton of her like foundations, concealers, and her eye products like the eyeshadows and the cream pots and her bronzers, and I absolutely love them. So I'm just slowly trying to sort of transform my whole kit to pretty much have Charlotte Tilbury stuff because I just think it's stunning. Like for bridal especially, I just think it works so well. It's especially my clientele, they just love radiant, and my work I deliberately promote, and like when I'm doing models and stuff like that, I do sort of that radiant glowy skin. That is just my style. So it just works so well for that sort of look, and I always have brides come in and go, oh, I want the Charlotte Tilbury radiant look, and I'm like, I've got you. I might also film a review on the Magic Touch foundation. I will be trying it out myself anyway before it goes in the kit, but if it's something that you'd be interested in seeing, then just comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to try all of these out, and I will see you in the next one.